Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 1st, 2025, and we're going to be analyzing the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index. Let's start by looking at the major news headlines from the past few weeks. The Nasdaq closed out 2024 with a slight dip, ending a year of record highs fueled primarily by the artificial intelligence boom and the Federal Reserve's decision to continue cutting interest rates. Many analysts predict continued growth in the technology sector, but concerns remain about potential inflation and interest rate hikes in the future. The overall market sentiment is cautiously optimistic. Now let's turn our attention to the charts. Here's the daily chart for QQQ, showing the price action over the last few months. We can see a general upward trend, but there have been some periods of consolidation and minor pullbacks. Notice the significant price increase at the beginning of December 2024, possibly correlated with positive news about the AI sector around that time. It seems that the recent news and market sentiment are reflected in the daily price action. Let's zoom in on the past few weeks' trading data. As the daily chart shows the overall upward trend, we see some minor consolidations and smaller daily price fluctuations. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can now better see the intraday price movements. Here we notice the fluctuations in the price during the trading day, where the candlestick patterns can show a bullish or bearish momentum. The hourly chart shows more volatility, providing a clearer picture of short-term price changes and allows traders to find potential short-term entry and exit points based on intraday patterns. For even more detailed short-term analysis, let's look at the 15-minute chart. Short-term trends can be identified from this chart. However, it is important to also check the hourly and daily charts to confirm the short-term trends. Notice the high frequency of short-term price changes visible in the 15-minute time frame. This can be very useful for day traders who are looking to capitalize on short-term fluctuations. By combining the information from the daily, hourly, and 15-minute charts, we have a robust analysis of the price movements in the QQQ. Now let's discuss potential support and resistance levels. Based on the chart patterns, we can identify potential support levels around 500 and 480. Resistance levels could be found at 520 and 530. These levels are subject to change based on future market conditions and news. Looking ahead, the likelihood of the QQQ reaching 520 within the next few weeks is moderately high, provided the current positive market sentiment and growth in the tech sector persists. However, any negative economic or geopolitical news could easily reverse this trend. A break above 530 would signal a strong bullish momentum, while a drop below 480 could indicate a significant bearish reversal. It is important to always use stop losses to mitigate your risk. Keep an eye on any news related to the AI sector, inflation, and interest rates. Significant developments in any of these areas could drastically alter the QQQ's price action and direction. In summary, the QQQ shows a generally bullish outlook in the short to medium term, but volatility is expected. The key price levels to watch are 500, 480, support, and 520, 530 resistance. Always do your own research and manage risk properly.